Hello student, today we are going to deliver this lecture on the embryology of chick and the chick embryo. Basically there are three types of the chick embryos. The first one is the structure of chick embryo is 24 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours and 72 hours. So similarly these all the chick embryo which are hours for the development of the chick embryo. Basically you know very well this development of the chick embryo and the embryology is important for the structure of the development, and the embryology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of medicine concerned with the study of embryos and their development is known as the embryology. And this embryology is fully formed and freshly laid hen's egg is large, and it is 3 centimeters in diameter and 5 centimeters in length. It contains enormous amount of yolk, such as the egg is called as the macrolecythal eggs. The macrolecythal egg is known as the oval shaped eggs, and it is a very large macrolecythal cell you can see in the naked eyes. Another one is the microlecythal eggs. So these microlecythal eggs is the microlecythal egg is the egg which contain the very little yolk in it, but the amount of cytoplasm is high, and the eggs are generally small in size as compared to other types of eggs. The eggs of mammals contain very little yolk and are termed as alecythal eggs, which are mean egg without yolk. Then the macrolecythal eggs, it is a vertebrate egg, can be classified by the relative amount of yolk. The simple egg with little yolk are called microlecythal, and the medium sized eggs with such a that the some yolk are called the mesolecythal, and large eggs with a large concentrated yolk are called as the macrolecythal yolk. So this entire ovum is plasma membrane is called as the plasmemna, and it is lipoproteins layer. This is ovum is covered by egg membranes, and it contains the 24 hours the chick embryo. So that white yolk layers are thin and yellow yolk layers are thick. The yolk is a liquid. It contains 49% water and 33% phospholipids, 18% proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates are present. The primary membranes is, these membranes develop between the oocyte and follicle. The primary membrane are secreted by follicle cells, and it is called as the vitelline membrane. It comes from two origins. The inner part is produced by ovary, outer part is from the fallopian tubes. The secondary membrane is, it is a oviduct, secretes secondary membranes of vitelline membranes. Albumin is present, and it is white in color and it contains water and proteins. The shell membranes, it is a albumin 2 shell membranes are present, and towards the broad end of the egg in between the shell membranes are air space is present. This air space is formed when egg is laid cooled from 60 degrees centigrade to lesser temperature. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस 60पेक्षा कमी टेम्परेचर असते तिथे शेल मेम्ब्रेनचे चांगल्या प्रकारे डेव्हलपमेंट होते. आणि शेल जर बघितलं तर शेल्स एक पोरस इन नेचर्समध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते, आणि त्याचं जे ब्रॉड एंड जे आहेत ते ब्रॉड एंड जे आहे ते एका एगच्या कॅरापेसला अटॅच असते. अँड इन बिटवीन द शेल मेम्ब्रेन an air space is present, and this air space is formed when egg is laid cooled from 60 degrees centigrade to lesser temperature. The above the shell membranes, the shell is present. It is porous in nature. It is calcareous. This porous shell is useful for exchange of gas. In a freshly laid hen's egg, the shell is soft. Very soon it becomes hard. The laying of the eggs is between 9 to 3 p.m., 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the egg is expelled from the cloaca of hen. At the time of laying, between the formation of endoderm is completed, and for further development it is to be incubated. The incubation period of this egg development is the 38 degrees centigrade. This is done by hen by sighting or sitting over the egg, and this is called as the incubation of artificially. Eggs are incubated in incubators. For the hatching of egg is 21 days are required. आपण जर बघितलं तर 22 आवर्स 24 आवर्स फर्टिलायझड एग्स हे ट्रॅव्हल करतात त्या ओव्हिडक्ट्समध्ये, आणि त्याचं नियर बाय डेव्हलपमेंट जर बघितलं त्या ओव्हिडक्ट्समध्ये होत असतं. आता आपण क्लेवेजचं जर बघितलं तर क्लेवेज हे 4 टाईपचे असतात. फर्स्ट क्लेवेजमध्ये जर बघितलं तर देर आर 5 आवर्स फर्टिलायझेशन. इन द फर्स्ट क्लेवेज वी appear and it confine the center of blastocyst. Second cleavage is it takes place at right angles to first cleavage. Even because of second cleavage and clear blastomers are not formed. Third cleavage is